Every year, state inspectors visit daycares to make sure they're safe. The surveys are unannounced and sometimes find dangerous violations. News 4 Tucson Sam Salzwedel looked at some of the most penalized facilities from last year. It's new at 10.
Generally, if you make money watching 4 or more kids, you need a license. That license comes with mandatory surprise inspections. We are working on a report about the ADHS inspections. At a neighborhood early learning center, a state inspector found plastic grocery bags on the floor accessible to enrolled children. The plastic bags are labeled, "Keep away from babies and children." The center was fined $400. Nobody returned phone calls from News 4 Tucson, so we visited the facility and still did not get any sort of comment from management. At El Presidio Day School, an inspector wrote, "Not enough staff to perform all duties on facility premises. Enrolled children were placed at risk of harm when a child brought marijuana to the facility and buried it on the school-age playground. The following day, the children dug up the marijuana and put it in a bag. 4 children went to the loft area. One child admitted to police that they took a hit of the marijuana through a pen and bolt. The school did not make anybody available for an interview, but a school director stated in part in an email, in 2018, the licensing violations reported are not a reflection of the nurturing environment we provide to children every day. As soon as we were aware, we worked with agencies and made significant changes to our center management team. We continue to retrain our staff and will continue to do so, not just per licensing's requirements, but because we know it's the right thing to do. The changes we have made had a significant impact on the quality of care at the center." At many school early learning centers on Craycroft near 29th, the staff member told surveyors that another staff member expects 1-year-olds to do pre-K things that are not developmentally appropriate. And she disciplines 1-year-olds over taking their shoes off, and she's physically aggressive with the children. Nobody returned our call and did not respond even after visiting the facility. Colby Bowers, an assistant director of the Arizona Department of Health Services, which oversees daycares. He says citations shouldn't necessarily scare parents, but when they turn into fines, they are serious.
A fine is a good indicator that there's been repeat deficiencies, and those deficiencies we believe could cause harm or have caused harm to children.
The state recommends checking AZ Care Check for public inspection records, but parents also need to do something even more important.
If you go to the facility and you announce that you just want to take a look around and can they show the program and they're hesitant about that, that's probably a red flag. The good operators, those good facilities will more than welcome you in, allow you to look around.
The state has a checklist with almost 50 questions parents should ask facilities before hiring them to take care of their kids. That list is with this story on our website. Sam Salzwedel, News 4 Tucson.